Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one I gave you to buy for the current week for swing trading was AVT Natural on the weekly chart 545.95. That was the opening range. Not AVT Natural. This is AVT Natural. So 101 rupees. Let me see. Yes, breakout did happen 10.9. So 109 price went at that particular level, which means 1 2. Two targets hit. Talking about second stock, it was Dhampur Sugars at 415 rupees. Again, I will go back to weekly chart. Dhampur Sugar 415, 431. Yes, once again 415. Where was the breakout? This particular candle. Yes, 431. Array, what I have written? This is wrong. 415, 419, 423, 427, 431, 435. So only 4 targets hit. Third one was Gulshan Polyols at 426. Let me see that. Gulshan Polyols. Nothing happened in Gulshan Polyols. There was a huge gap down opening, and also price did not hit the entry level. Did not hit entry level. Finishing off with VRL at 536. Again, weekly chart 536. No, huge gap of opening at 545.95. So same thing, did gap up opening. Beginning with Omaxe Limited for upcoming week of swing trading, the breakout level is above 110 rupees. Talking about the price action, slowly but surely buyers are taking the price higher and higher. This was a trend line breakout. See here, as price is going higher, sellers are getting reduced in numbers in accordance with decent volume activity. I will go to monthly chart and try to find out a relevant resistance level. Can you see there is a gap at 140 rupees, and this particular level, or I should say gap, should act as an impetus for buyers. They can come in till 140 rupees and fill the gap, and after that they might decide to book profits. Mangalam Global has been in an uptrend since longest time. In the process, we can see very few bearish candles, and also they are small in size, which means only few, or I should say very few percentage of buyers have decided to book profits. What does this mean? It only signals one thing, that they expect stock to go even higher. On the monthly chart, we have a perfect breakout level above 155 rupees, and if the breakout level is taken down, we can expect a rousing welcome from buyers, and they can keep on buying till they feel that price should go at that particular level. We are going to finish it off with Hindustan Construction. On the monthly chart, the breakout level is at 20 rupees. Just pay attention to these three candles. First candle in the series is a bullish candle with the wick at the top end, which means price went higher and then because of selling it has to close lower. The sandwich candle is a bearish candle and the latest candle is an extremely bullish candle, and it successfully closed way above this bullish candle. This bullish candle closed at 10 rupees or so. Let me see the correct level. 17 rupees, and the current candle is close almost at 19 rupees, which means buyers have negated the prevailing selling pressure. If this continue happening about 20 rupees, we might very well see a decent target up to 30 rupees. I have arrived upon these levels after a meticulous analysis. I'm going to share a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel as well. Please read the disclaimer carefully. Do not buy in case of gap up opening above the entry level. Please be mindful and don't be reckless with your hard earned money. Thank you so much for watching.